Brendan is an unbelievable motivator, and he's the nail on the head for talking to people that are out doing unbelievably hard work day in and day out, and he helps them to really realize and see that they're the ones that are making the difference for patients. I really believe that these people need to hear his message as well as I need to hear it. I mean, we all do. That yes, it's hard work. Yes, we're doing a lot, but we're making a difference.
Wow, what energy. I think that's the most thing that, that I can say is, particularly when you have it at this time of day, to have somebody who comes in and just brightens the room and makes everyone just get so excited. I mean, I think you just feel your own excitement grow as he continues to speak. You let it all fall aside and you just collect his energy, and it is very motivating to keep moving forward, because so many times when you end up a conference and there's a lot of work to do, it's time to refocus, and you've got to get that passion. Why do we do what we do? And I think that was the most important thing to me, was reconnecting with my spirit, my heart and my head, getting aligned back up and saying, what do I do? And that gives you the passion and reignites your spirit to move forward. I think any environment would benefit from hearing his message, because it's energizing, it's powerful, and it is something that I think a lot of people would enjoy.
I loved the presentation. I have heard Brennan several times before. I am a major fan of his. Today was about the first day he has not made me cry why he does a presentation, because he talks from the heart, he brings it to the people, he engages everyone, and he makes you feel like you are the most important person in his life at that moment. And he gets whatever I'm thinking about, it's gone. If it's something sad or exciting, he makes me stay in the moment, which is awesome. Everyone could benefit from his message. I think he's an awesome speaker. He's a dynamic motivator, and he makes you want to make a difference.
To see you running to rescue you, to pull you